Please. Counsel, sir.
Good morning. My name is Sharon Casey. I'm the Clerk Magistrate of the Cambridge District Court. The application for criminal complaint, docket number 2352 AC 2320, is brought by the Cambridge Police Department, the complainant, against you, Mr. Mark Zhu. Counsel, can you confirm for me that the accused address is still in Lincoln, Massachusetts?
Yes, Madam Clerk.
Thank you. The purpose of this hearing is to determine whether or not there is probable cause to issue a criminal complaint formally charging you with the criminal offense of one count of sex for a fee, alleged to have occurred on August 16th of 2023 in the city of Cambridge. This hearing is not a trial to determine guilt or innocence. That will come later if a complaint issues today. The burden of proof is on the Cambridge Police Department to show me that there is probable cause that a criminal offense was committed and that you committed it. Probable cause is a very low legal standard. Probable cause exists where the facts and circumstances presented are enough to warrant a prudent person to believe that the individual committed the offense. Since the burden of proof rests with the complainant, the Cambridge Police Department, you are under no obligation to present any evidence or say anything during this hearing. So if you choose not to say anything, I would not hold that against you, as I'm sure your very able counsel has explained to you. Please note, however, that if you do choose to speak today, that you should understand these proceedings are being recorded, and there's a possibility that something that you say might be used against you at a later time, either to show that you admitted something or you testified differently today than at trial. As for the process, I'm going to hear from the complainant first, and then I will hear from your attorney and or you, and I will give you the same opportunity to testify and present any evidence that you want me to hear. Last thing, neither party can interrupt each other during the course of the hearing. Each side will have a full and fair opportunity to present any relevant probable cause evidence that they want me to consider. At the conclusion of all the evidence, I will make a decision based on the facts that I hear. If I can swear everybody in. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Complainant, I've read your application in its entirety, but please present.
Good morning. Lieutenant Cabral from Cambridge Police. Reading from a report written by Cambridge Police Detective Colazzo. From at least July 2020 until November 2023, I, in my capacity as a task force officer and other members of the Homeland Security Investigations, identified multiple residences operating as brothels in Cambridge and Watertown. These locations included, but were not limited to, 90 Foster Street in Cambridge, Mass., units 109, 435, and 530. I'm aware that women were advertised on BostonTop10.com, which is the brothel website. When sex buyers were interested in engaging in sex for a fee with women available on the brothel website, they contacted a phone number associated with the brothel website, which ends in 5147, known as the brothel phone. All communications about appointments like time, duration, location, price, type of sexual service, stage name of women engaging in sexual service, and other logistics generally occurred via text message exchange with the brothel phone and the interested sex buyer. A federal search warrant was executed on the brothel phone. Pursuant to that search warrant, sex buyers were identified from the analysis of the brothel phone. A phone number ending in 8161 was identified. A law enforcement database search for that phone number revealed the subscriber of this phone number during that time period was Key Zhu, date of birth, year of birth 1959. Zhu had a son listed as Mark Zhu, date of birth, year of birth 1996. Mark Zhu has listed a residential address in the RMV in Lincoln, Mass.